Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed a new marble connector on my stub out for my new bathroom sink. So to do this today I'm going to be using some OD PVC clear cement and some OD PVC purple primer. These can be picked up at pretty much any hardware store. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my purple primer and I'm going to apply a liberal amount to the outside of the PVC stub out. And then once I've got that on, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit to the inside of the marble connector. Alright, so now that we've applied our primer, we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process with our PVC cement. As you'll see though, I do apply it to the marble connector before the stub out. It doesn't really matter which order you do it in. Just make sure you work quickly to get the PVC cement applied and the fitting put together. If you wait too long, you will need to reapply the primer. Once the PVC cement is applied to the marble connector and the stub out, you're going to slide the marble connector on the stub out and twist. Then you're going to hold it between 10 and 15 seconds to get a good bond. To see how I finished out the plumbing underneath the sink, make sure you click on the link up in the right hand corner or check the description for the P-Trap install video. For more videos like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.